Hey guys, I'm here to show you a cute way to give money or gift cards as a Christmas present. So I have already made two of these little Christmas sleighs, and so I'm going to show you how to make these so that way you can give these as gifts as well. What you're going to need: 2 candy canes, 6 pieces of like bite-sized candies, whatever you like will work. You will need some sort of gift box or money holder. These are gift card holders, but I like them for this because they'll hold up well. And then of course either money or your gift card, and then we'll finish it off with a ribbon. So to start, we need to glue the candy canes to the back of the box or whatever you're using to put your money or your gift card in. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun and put a lot of glue down because I don't want my candy canes to wobble when they're on the box. If you don't put enough down, they will wobble. Just tape it, it'll be fine. And press it for a second, it'll stick, and then we're going to go and do the other side. I need more glue. So let's see here, perfect. And then we'll press the other candy cane down. Once that's done, you can flip it over and then we'll start assembling our candy. So it goes together like a pyramid on top of the box, and we will just glue each piece in place. Try to make it as centered as you can on the box. I have a hard time with that. I like to put everything on just a little bit crooked, but it's candy and it's cute, so they will enjoy it nonetheless, even if it is a little crooked. Put that glue around the edge of that one because you're going in between the candies here. So you're stacking it like a pyramid, so you don't want it in the center, the glue. And then the last one goes on top. I like to put a fun color on top there. And that's the little sleigh. And then we're just going to cut a piece of ribbon and tie it on. And the ribbon, you can tie on a ribbon if you just wanted to stick a bow on top, like one of the little miniature bows that you can get. You could absolutely do that. Let's see here. And then I like to put a little glue on the center of this. It'll help it stay in place. Make sure my ribbon is somewhat straight. And then let that dry. And then we can take our scissors and make it to where these are a little bit more curly. You want to go on the dull side of the ribbon and you just want to pull up with your scissors and it makes it curl. And you'll do that on both sides. If you pull up with the scissors and it does not curl or doesn't curl well, you either need to redo it or place your scissor on the opposite side. And so put that together, and then there is your candy cane sleigh that is also either your gift of money or a gift card. I hope you enjoy making these for your family and friends, and they'll find a great little treat to go along with their money or gift card.